Hello, welcome to the video presentation from the Shaken series, Who Are You? This is going to be a series, it's a four-part series, but today we're going to talk about the first session of Who Are You? On the next slide is an introduction to Shaken, which is where the series is brought from. In this series we're going to discover and answer the question, Who are you? As you can see here, the students will hit play. It's a 2-minute video. It's going to go through what the series and a breakdown of it. The first part, what we're doing the lesson on today, is Who Are You? The second one will be When Storms Come. The third lesson, Others Matter. And then the fourth, A Legacy-Driven Life. Shaken, Who Are You? In this video 1 of this 4-part video series, Tim Tebow is actually talking about the highs and lows of his amazing life. And how it was for him to stay grounded and focused on who God was in his life and to show him that God was bigger than anything he was going through. The students will be thinking about other things like who are you, but also whose are you, which they're going to see and hear Tim talk about in the next clip, which is about 12 minutes long. And he's going to go over some things and talk about some things, but who or what do you find your identity in is one of the big things that he focuses on. In this video series, where it starts here, Shaken Day 1, like I said earlier, the students will hit play. They'll watch this 12 to 13 minute video. As they send in, they're going to start talking about, we're going to have a discussion to help them get rolling, but who are you when life is steady? Who are you when storms come? We're going to look up some of the stats and other information regarding John 3:16 while using their Chromebooks, phones, and tablets. This is something huge because I was a part of this experience. I actually watched this firsthand. I remember when all this went on and when they started talking about John 3:16 and some of the stuff, and it was just a great moment for God being given the glory. So after going over the story, what Tim was referring to, we're going to look at John 6:8 through 10. We're going to discuss it and find others in the Bible and outside the Bible that showed what God can do with nothing. This is going to allow them to find the information for the Google Slide project. This is what I have them doing. They're going to create a slide and a project from the Shaken series, and they're going to be able to look up on Google and other aspects in about this story, and then maybe come up with something. Who are you? So this is pretty cut and dry. It's pretty simple. For my face-to-face students, we're going to go over this on the Visio screen. We'll have the presentation. We'll be able to look and add and take away from different things in the world, what's going on in the world today, as well as what's going on in their lives. For the ones that are distance learners, I'll be able to send this slide presentation to them. They're going to have all the information they need and be able to build their Google Slide presentation on what they find in the world concerning different biblical stories about this little boy who actually showed up, had the food, gave it to Jesus. He did great things. So I hope they can see that and understand that. Thank you.